In previous session we completed some of our lessons. From in this session for some next sessions we are going to revise it again. Okay. Now we will turn toward the first lesson, the cactus. Okay. I will give you the new words for writing in notebook. Okay. Just revise it. Open the notebook and repeat after me. Cactus, a type of plant that grows in desert. Stem, stem means what? The main body part of a trees. Thorn, thorn means one of the hard sharp point on some plants. Hefty means big and strong. Sprouted, sprouted means to begin to grow. Regal, regal means royal. Proud, proud means what? To feel oneself too important. Tender means delicate. Tough means not easy to easily damaged. Trud means to walk slowly. Vanish, vanish means to disappear suddenly. Now look towards the question answers. Are you written in notebook? No? You have to write it. Okay? Now revise it again. Take the correct answers in it. Are the flowers called the cactus ugly because it was green, it was big, or it was yellow? No, answer is it had thorns. Second, people of Rimdim went to other places because of flood, disease, or cactus. The answer is option C, drought. The cactus had dash stored in its stems: food, fertilizers, flowers. Here the answer is water. The cactus was dash at heart, soft and gentle, hard and rude, angry and sad, or proud and arrogant. Correct answer is soft and gentle. Okay. Now next, write true or false for the following sentences. The cactus was a lonely figure in the garden. This is true. So we have to write here T. All flowers liked the cactus. False. The flowers wanted the gardener to uproot the cactus. True. The flowers thanked the cactus for saving their lives. True. Now turn towards the question answers. Okay. Describe each of the following flowers in 2 words. Rose. How can we describe the rose? Red, beautiful, smell nicely. Okay. Daisy, white and tender. Sunflower, yellow and big. Okay. Right. Next question. Why did the flowers keep creeping about the cactus? Answer is what? All the flowers keep creeping about the cactus because all flowers were looking beautiful and cactus was ugly. Now next, how did the cactus help the other flowers during drought? Because of drought, all the other flowers wilting away. At that time, cactus had plenty of water. It gave its water to other flowers also. Now next, think and answer. Why did the gardener leave the city with a heavy heart? Once there was a severe drought in Rimdim. The poor gardener would trot for miles in search of water and return with a pot or two. Soon even that stopped, so the gardener went away with a heavy heart. Why did the flowers hesitate to drink the water stored in the cactus stems? At starting, no one was ready to do friendship with cactus. Instead of that, all flowers thought that gardeners should uproot the cactus. So, in the critical situation of drought, all flowers hesitate to drink the water stored in the cactus stems. Why was the cactus happy in the end? At starting, what is the answer? At starting, all flowers treated cactus so rudely. They never even spoke to cactus. At cactus help all the flowers, so all flowers become friend of cactus. So the cactus was happy in the end. Students, you have to send this audio clip to me of reading the question answers. Thank you.